It's just human nature to do things that are wrong. We have a sinful nature. We have a tendency to have pride, but we ought to be humble. We have a tendency to be selfish, but we ought to be more giving. Sometimes we lie, but it's important to be honest. We don't always love the way we should. We have our lust, and it gets us into a whole lot of trouble. We have our greed, but we need to care more about others. The world isn't what it ought to be. We get hurt and then we hurt others. It's just human nature to do things that are wrong. And when life hurts us, sometimes we stop caring. Some people get abused and others abuse others. Don't follow your heart, because the heart is deceitful above all things. It's just human nature to do things that are wrong, and we end up seeking our own desires and our own way. But that's a mistake that we make. This life isn't supposed to be about us. Love is the answer, but our love can grow cold. It's just human nature to do things that are wrong. We have a sinful nature. We have a tendency to rebel. Life isn't easy, and it's too easy to get off the right path. We all do things that we shouldn't. It's just our human nature.